Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to view TikTok live stream analytics. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon. Now, you will see two options: Creator Tools, and Settings and Privacy. Click on Creator Tools. After clicking on Creator Tools, you will see many options. From there, tap on Analytics. Now, you look for the live button at the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. There you will see Go to Live Center. Click on it. And on that page, you can see the analytics of live video on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful, and you are able to see the analytics of your live video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.